Welcome to Journey to Greatness, your go to source for motivation and inspiration. Our channel is dedicated to empowering you with powerful stories, tips, and speeches that ignite your passion and drive. Join us on this journey to unlock your full potential and achieve greatness in every aspect of your life. Do subscribe my channel for more motivational and inspirational videos.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about one of the most cherished and profound concepts in human existence: freedom. Freedom is the foundation upon which we build our lives, the driving force behind our dreams, and the essence of our humanity. It is a word that carries immense weight and significance, for it is through freedom that we discover who we are and what we are capable of achieving. And its core, freedom, is the ability to choose. It is the power to decide how we live, what we believe, and who we want to become. Freedom gives us the space to explore our passions, to pursue our goals, and to express ourselves authentically. It allows us to walk our own paths, to learn from our experiences, and to grow into the people we aspire to be. But freedom is not just about individual choice, it is also about collective responsibility. True freedom comes with the understanding that our choices have an impact on others. It requires us to recognize that while we are free to pursue our own happiness, we must do so in a way that respects the rights and freedoms of those around us. This balance between individual liberty and social responsibility is what creates a just and harmonious society. Freedom is not something that can be taken for granted. Throughout history, countless individuals have fought and sacrificed for the freedoms we enjoy today. From the struggle for civil rights to the fight for independence, the quest for freedom has been a defining feature of human history. It is a reminder that freedom is precious and must be protected and nurtured. In our modern world, freedom takes many forms. It is the freedom to speak our minds, to worship according to our beliefs, to love who we choose, and to live without fear of oppression. It is the freedom to access education, to pursue meaningful work, and to contribute to our communities. These freedoms are the pillars of a just and equitable society, and they are what allow us to thrive as individuals and as a collective. However, freedom is not without challenges. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, we must navigate the complexities of living in a global community. The freedoms we enjoy can sometimes come into conflict with the freedoms of others. In these moments, we are called to engage in dialogue, to listen with empathy, and to seek solutions that honor the dignity and rights of all people. Freedom also requires courage. It takes courage to stand up for what is right, to challenge injustice, and to defend the freedoms of those who are marginalized and oppressed. It takes courage to embrace the unknown, to take risks, and to pursue our dreams even when the path is uncertain. But it is through this courage that we find our strength and our purpose.
Thank you for being part of Journey to Greatness. Remember, greatness is within your reach. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Together we can achieve extraordinary things. See you in the next video.